When I say bananas, you say peppers. Today, you guys, we are gonna unbox something that I have been waiting for a long time. Well, one thing, you know what, have I been waiting for this for a long time? I don't know. I feel like I see a lot of people get this as PR, so I feel like I saw this months ago. And honestly, I didn't know if it was real. Like, I feel like I see so many, it's almost like we come full Tumblr circle where it's like you used to see these like amazing NARS eyeshadows that you wish were real, or like Jeffrey Campbell Litas that someone had photoshopped and you thought they were real, surprised they're not real. It's like, that's like the internet every day now. Today we're actually gonna unbox a couple of different random things. I feel like I could title this video Face Heads, the unboxing, which by the way, did anybody else, were you obsessed with this game? I think it was on the Nintendo DS. I used to play it for hours. Dogman and I always called it Face Heads, but you would like, every round, you would try and find Mario, or Wario, or Luigi, or Yoshi. And you could just do that for hours, in fact, because these couple of things, heads, yes. I have another one, I'm forgetting a face head. Bear with me. Face Heads, the competitor. And now I'm just opening this one today too because I have no self-control and I have been dying to open these because honestly, I am a SpongeBob fan girl. I have no shame in it. I love SpongeBob. I feel like I've always loved SpongeBob since like 1999. And I will continue to love SpongeBob forever. So you guys, this is the one that we're gonna open first. I really do want SpongeBob. I kind of want like Plankton. Look at them, you guys. And I just started a few days ago a brand new blank canvas tabula rasa junk bag. Look at this diesel bag, you guys. I ordered it from Japan, of course I did. It was described as sun bleached and boy am I excited. I don't know why. Like the whole theme for this summer for me has just been junky, decrepit, gross looking vintage diesel bags. It's what I live for. So yeah, very, very excited. And I saw someone the other day, I think they were selling them, but they were turning LOL surprise dolls into like bag charms, keychains. Of course they were. I feel like LOL surprise dolls, you guys, I used to unbox those all the time on my main channel. And honestly, they had some pretty cool ones back in the day, but I feel like they've gone through a complete redesign. Wow, this is like double wrapped in a way that confuses me. And I was feeling like way overstimulated. I don't know why fingernails, you guys, like fingernails really bother me, which is kind of upsetting because I used to have like much longer nails and I thought that that was fun, but I just really, when I can see the whites of my own fingernails, I feel like I come on this channel once a month to you guys and complain about clipping my fingernails. Anyway, I don't know if you guys have seen, but the LOL dolls have gotten like a makeover and they look so much cuter to me now. Like they have a full-size Jenny doll, like the singer. Oh my god. And it's very cute. It's very tempting. Okay, I'm scared to like break this. It's hinged, but it doesn't feel like it wants to open any more than that. So, you guys, I have a table set up in here for the first time in forever. Isn't that like a song? So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 surprise LOL dolls. Is that really, you get 5? It says 6. 6 to collect, 5 surprises. Oh my god. I'm just gonna open the one that I think is the doll first because I feel like once you open any of the accessories, if it's like a pink square, you're gonna know that's Patrick. So let's open it up. Who did we get? Who did we get, please? Someone like, oh, okay. I saw someone open this the other day. I am gonna be honest, I am like a Sandy the Squirrel hater, which I guess just Texas is not big enough for the both of us. I know it is so honestly silly that Sandy kind of annoys me always. And it's the squirrel from Texas. You would think I would like that. But honestly, this one is so cute. Plankton is honestly the one that I wanted second after SpongeBob. I also really love Squidward, so I would have been fine really with any of them except for Sandy. So I'm just glad no whammies. Oh my god. See, the faces are so cute now. I feel like they used to be cute as well. I literally wish I had one in here. I feel like for a long time I had two of my favorites, which was the ones that was like Marie Antoinette and Louis the 16th. Loved those. Everything about it is so cute. I just really loved the Marie Antoinette costume. I thought that that was like very cute. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put her head on first. Let me open the rest of the surprises. There was two stuck together. Maybe that is what they mean by 6. Look at this. Oh, I almost dropped the clothes. I really do always love how these are like those kind of jelly Polly Pocket clothes that you would be really tempted to chew on as a kid. They really have that nice like jelly quality. Why am I talking like that? You guys, it's late. Okay, here are the little shoes, which are these little boots. Very nice, very cute. And then we have, I'm trying to think of what the prop would be for Plankton. So I think that there's 2 ways. Yeah, okay. There's 2 ways that I have seen these dolls be shown. Is one, they're kind of like wearing a mask or glasses. And then the other one is to put their little like mascot head on. So I think that this is the Plankton antennas for the other way to like dress them. And I think we just have one last thing. Yeah, because this is the single eye. And it's kind of like sunglasses. Oh my god, you know what? Did they lose their sippy cups? Do any of them have sippy cups? That is one thing I always loved about the LOL dolls. So see what I mean? There's like the SpongeBob as an example. They say, oh, you can put the character glasses on with the outfit or the little mascot head. Personally, I feel like the mascot head is cuter, but let's see what, yeah, that looks like her third eye or something. Maybe it would be cuter on other characters that, you know, don't just have one eye in the middle of their head. Almost looks like a space alien. Tell me that does not make a super adorable bag charm. Although the Labubu trend has certainly died, I do still feel like we are seeing the Labubufication of everything. I feel like bag charms are obviously still very, very much in. So I feel like all of these brands are like still trying to participate in that trend. So I did see some LOLs that were very cute. For some reason, they're wrapped like mystery boxes, but they're not mystery boxes because there's only 4 characters and the fluffy ears stick out of the top, so you like very clearly know which one that you're gonna get. But those are bag charms. I wish that these were now bag charms. There used to be these things that I love to collect, and you would honestly like pop the heads off and then put this like keychain thing in between the head and the neck, and it was a very secure keychain system. And I wish more modern collectibles and stuff would come back with that, because super easy to turn everything into a bag charm. Okay, we're gonna open this one next because I actually have 2 of these cha-cha things, which I'm gonna be honest, I have had these things and this thing like in a blind box wish list for a very long time. But recently there was like Amazon Prime Day, so I got these for like $5.99 or something. So I was like, okay, let's just see if we're gonna like them. So this is called Sour Paw-ty Crashers. And these are just heads, vinyl head charms, and they're all really cute. So they have like different animal mascot heads and they're all frowning. It's kind of funny. I've never opened anything from this brand, I don't think. I can't even really tell. Happy Haul. What do we call that? Okay. Let's see. This is what the bag looks like. Oh, and let's see who are we gonna get. It really does look like me. Twins. That's very, very cute. I also love, I wonder if all the mascot heads, oh, that's cute. All the mascot heads are very clearly smiling, laughing, and then they are frowning. I love the juxtaposition. This reminds me of some art and I literally just cannot place it right now. But it does have like the ribbon and the keychain, literally just like a Labubu. The hair is vinyl, the face is vinyl, the head is plush, if you will. Very cute. I like that one. Okay, so I think this is roughly the same but different. These are smiling heads. Who thought of it first, you guys? Because honestly, look at this. Well, you know what? I think this is a pig and this is a cow, but like, does not a hat look so similar? So yes, we have bears, cows, penguins, puppies, ducks. Oh my god, the duck is crying. What if we get that one? Oh, it comes with lip gloss as well. Okay, these kind of reminded me a little bit of the OG Poopsie, I think it was, where you have like makeup or nail polish or slime or something that comes with the item. So these are in the same line, and these literally, like, I saw the display in Walmart or something, I think, but they like literally have a bag on display and they're basically saying like, decorate your bag with these charms. So this, I actually think that there is some kind of DIY element with beads and charms and string. This is like very heavy, but I'm not sure if there's lip gloss in both of them or just lip gloss in one of them. Anyway, you guys, enough chatting. And this is from Zuru. So this is like the same people that make Vibe Surprise mini brands, I think. Oh yeah, okay, so there is a large bag and a small bag and a card that we're not gonna look at. You know what, there was a card in this box as well. Let's see. Okay, that's just a checklist. I think this card in the Cha-Cha box like actually tells you which one you're gonna get, and I don't want to ruin the surprise. So let's see. We got, what did we get? Oh, okay, I like this one's face. This is kind of funny. It's like, it is a cat, a sly. Kind of looks like Sneaky, you know? Okay, and then this is the lip gloss. Oh, that's, oh my god, you guys, this really smells like 1996 Claire's lip gloss. Dare I say, I like the little lip gloss better than the main character. I'm trying to like open it. Oh my god. Y'all, this smells literally like something straight out of my childhood. It's crazy. And I feel like the applicator and the stopper is very fancy for like, once again, what is the level of like Claire's makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna open this last ball, which is once again part of this Cha-Cha-Cha line, which that's kind of funny because honestly, nothing about the name Cha-Cha-Cha makes me think of these items, right? Like, I'm not saying it's like not a cute brand name, but like, I don't think of like bag charms. Maybe there's like lore that I'm missing. Okay, let's see here. It's not opening very well. Okay. Okay. Cha-Cha-Cha. Okay, let's see how many. Yeah, guys, this is like actually pretty heavy. So I'm gonna open this large thing first. Oh my god, we have string. Yeah, see, you have to DIY these. And what is this? Oh my god, is this supposed to be Mooding? Like, right? It's like a baby hippo. Look at this. Y'all, this actually feels like super thick. I like that. It's super thick, what I'm trying to say. Like, super kind of heavy. It almost feels like a die cast kind of feel, like as if there's like metal inside of it. This is very cute, honestly. Okay, let's see what's in here. Some of this feels like it could be very tiny. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys. Ah! Okay. I don't know why this is like sassy banana milk, sassy watermelon face. Look at these. Y'all, I feel like these look like Shopkins on steroids, but they're so cute and they're both on these tiny little charms. I actually very much like this. And then we have the sandwich has a face. Oh my god, the sandwich is like a bead. Very cute. I feel like I haven't seen anyone talk about these. You just have to be careful because like there's two sections and I feel like the items are very easy. Oh my god, yeah, this is just okay, there's a lot of stuff falling out of here. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a leaf-shaped carabiner, however you want to say it, and then we have this guy. Okay, so that's like the logo, the brand logo. And then we have like a handful of, I guess, like ends, stoppers to make this charm. Like almost like crimp beads is what I think. I literally hope that there is a vast amount of instructions. You guys, oh my God, I want the makeup one so bad. I also very much like the duck, but yeah, look at the makeup one, you guys. It has like an old style cell phone. Look at all of these. If I could get another one of these for like $4, I would. And then on the back, thankfully, there is instructions. So you're supposed to make a charm bundle that looks like that, but they tell you how to like tie the string together and put the sandwich charm on there. That's honestly so cute. I very much like these. Let me know what you guys think. I also like that a lot of the charms like clip off so you could put them on this and then move them around in the future. I also feel like these would be super cute to just clip onto like a zipper of your bag. That's probably what I'm gonna do with this one. And use it as like a cute little zipper pull. These are very adorable. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Let me know, is it cute or do you think it's landfill core? Let me know. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. Until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!